reason to celebrate this moment because you are about to enjoy our new Kiss First Kiss exclusive interview right here on your source of the hottest Asian jams, Asia Mix. And before I present to you our interview with your well-loved ubiquitous idols, how about I give you a quick rundown on what went down during their first concert here in the Philippines.
We heard that they're gonna dance girl group song. Yeah, so we want to see that.
Yeah, I want to see them dance to or Zero and Yan song. Ano, sobrang excited na hindi mo ma-explain. Tapos nakakakaba po talaga. Kasi po parang, hindi ko alam kung paano parang mag-a-action pag nandun na po sila.
Naiyak nga po ako nung na-cancel yung concert kasi parang inaasahan ko po talagang ma-push through siya nung sabi kasi kaya niya tutuloy.
Now that I'm here, I feel so excited and I cannot wait to see them all. Lalo si Kibo.
Well, ang dami ng surprise, ang dami ng solo. So, I'm waiting for that. And kung ano mang gagawin ni Alexander, yun na. To the left, to the left, to the left.
You get saranghe!
As they stepped inside Araneta, overwhelming screams were heard prompting their excitement to see their idols hit the stage. A group of fans fired things up when they opened for their idols and danced to the hits of New Kiss. As soon as the phenomenal Korean group hit the stage, the deafening screams grew louder and it was time for them to show what they got and make their fans pump up. The boys also surprised the crowd and each one of them performed their solo numbers.
Nandiyan ako.
They went on to win the crowd with lots of exciting numbers they showcased for the memorable night.
I would like to say, Dongo, I love you, Saranghe. I love you. I love you, Saranghe, Dongo. Sobrang saya, sobrang ganda. Wala akong matang speech na. Kaya it! I get it!
Oh, yung favorite part ko, yung kumanta si Sander ng Bebot kasi siya yung favorite ko, ang hot niya. Sander, you're the best! Bebot, Bebot, best!
made it to the concert got nostalgic for a bit right there. But for those of you who didn't, today's your lucky day because I'm going to let you in on some of their hit songs they performed during the concert.
Hey yo, I met a real nice girl last night. Hell yeah, she's so cute. Let's go. Girl, let me hold you down. I want you, girl, tonight.
Channels because Asia Mix New Kiss First Kiss exclusive interview will be back in a bit.